Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my carnivore journey. I am on day 6 of the carnivore diet. I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan, just to see how this lifestyle is a benefit or not for my body. And then I'm just gonna compare it to the vegan lifestyle just to see how it goes for me and my particular body. So today's day 6 and I am 2 days constipated. So yeah, that's not great. I have this heavy feeling in my abdomen because of that. Normally I don't ever get constipated. Normally I go at least once a day, probably up to 3 times a day most days. So this is new for me and it's uncomfortable. So I'm not sure what that's all about. Do I need to eat more fat? Do I need to eat less? Today I haven't eaten, well, I barely ate anything today and it's bedtime. I was gone all day. I packed myself a nice little lunch full of trout and steak bites and a couple of hard-boiled eggs, but I barely ate anything. I had 1 hard-boiled egg and a couple pieces of beef and then a couple pieces of trout, and I'm not even hungry at all. So maybe it's because I'm stopped up, but I'm just not hungry at all. So I don't think I'm gonna eat today until I go, I did go to the chiropractor today. My foot this morning, my right foot, you could see it was a little bit swollen. It had like a pool of fluid in a spot on my foot. And then I went to the chiropractor.
There we go. Okay, just have to relax. That's gonna feel better.
Feels a lot better, even though it's still a little bit tender, but I was on my feet all day today, so I'm gonna put my feet up today and see how it goes and drink some extra water. I don't know if this has to do with oxalate dumping as well, because I did go on carnivore cold turkey, and I'm just learning now that you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to ease into being a carnivore. But of course I have to be an extreme person and just do it all at once. So I'm just gonna roll with it though and see how I feel tomorrow. But for now I'm just going to put my feet up and try to work out my system. So anyway, have a nice night, and I'll see you all tomorrow.